Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on the OPPO K13x. Alright, so as a first method I'll show you how to transfer data from your old device into your OPPO, and as a second method I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Google one. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup from the Google one, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want you can look for it. So now, as you can see, we are doing the setup process. Now all we need to do is to tap on this blue arrow. Now select your language, then click on next. Now select your region, and again click on next. Click on next once again, and again. And now we have the first thing that we are interested in, and it's set up using another device. You can already see that on our second device. Information about setuping appeared. So on our device, let's click on Android. In here, let's click on Setup. And now we need to scan this QR code. Okay, boom. Sometimes there's a chance that it won't disappear, this setup button. So what to do then? Simply open up your QR code scanner. It can be an app, or you can always open up your camera. And then you need to open up the Google Lens, and you will be able to scan the QR code. Alright, so now we have the getting our phone ready information, so we need to wait until this process is finished. It might take a while, so I'll see you once it's finished. Okay, now, so to move forward, we need to draw the lock screen pattern from our previous device. I mean, I have to. If you didn't have a screen lock, there is a chance that you might don't have to do it. So now we need to again wait. Okay, copying our account. Now we need to verify using the password from our Google account on which we are logged in on our previous device. So let me simply log in. Then click on next. Now, wait a few seconds. Again, it might take a little bit, so simply be patient. Okay, and now we have an option to copy data from our Android device. Click on next. Okay, now it says we need to continue on our new device. Okay. Actually, we won't be needing our second device anymore, because everything has been successfully done. So now we just need to simply wait a few seconds. Okay, and now we need to choose what we want to copy. So I can copy apps, SMS and MMS messages, call history, photos and videos, and the device settings. For example, when it comes to the apps, you don't need to, copy all of them. We can manually select or unselect the apps that we want to copy or don't want to copy. But remember that some of those apps are the system apps, so keep that in mind. Actually, in my case, I don't want any of my apps to be copied, so I will unselect that. I only want messages, call history, and the rest of this stuff. Click on copy right now. Now the process will start. And now we can set the unlock method, but I will skip that. We can always do it later in the settings. Now we have the Google services. Click on got it, and keep everything enabled. I think it's the best. Then click on accept. Now we have backup services that are really useful, so I keep them enabled. Click on turn on backup. Now we can select the default browser and the search engine. In my case, I'll select the Google Chrome, click on Set as Default, and I'll select the Google as my default search engine. Okay. And now we have the Gemini, which is our personal assistant. Click on Continue. We can enable the voice commands, such as Hey Google, to launch it. I think I can turn it on. Okay, in here I'm going to click on No Thanks. Alright, copying is done. Messages, call history, photos and videos, and device settings has been successfully copied. Click on Done. Now again we have getting our phone ready, so we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, now simply scroll down, click on Agree, select your navigation method. It can be buttons or the gestures. If you don't know how to use the gestures, you can always click on Learn, then click on Done if you have selected. Now, get started. And now we are ready to use our device. Also, don't turn off the Wi-Fi yet, because as you take a look on the notification bar, in here, you can see that some of the apps are still being installed, and some things are being still copied. So don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet. Wait until everything gets finished, and then you can disconnect. Alright, so that was the first method, and now let me show you how to restore backup from the Google one. Okay, so now we are again on the setup process, but when we have a possibility to set up using another device, we need to click on Skip. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi manually, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright, now click on Next. Okay, getting our phone ready. So now we need to wait a few seconds until it's finished. Okay, copy apps and data. And now click on Next, and now select that we can't use other device. Click on OK. And now the Google window should appear. Alright, just like this. And now we need to log into the same Google account on which we made the backup earlier. Into the same. It is really important. So now type your mail. Then click on Next. And now type the password. Alright, click on Next, click on Agree, now wait a few seconds, okay, and now we have a list of backups that we can select and receive data from it. So now simply select the backup that you want, one of the list, and now choose what you want to restore. Once you have selected, click on this blue button, Restore. Now the process will start, so we need to wait. And now again, just like in the previous method, we have all of those settings such as screen lock. I'm going to skip it, and now I'm going to do everything in the same way as I did in the previous method. So in here I'm just going to simply click on Accept. When it comes to the Google services such as backup, I'm going to turn it on. Click on Next. Select your default browser. Click on Set as Default. Select your search engine. Click on Set as Default. Click on continue. When we have the Gemini, we can turn on the Hey Google sentence. In here, click on No Thanks. Click More and click on Agree. Select your navigation method. Then click on Done. Click on Get Started. And now we are ready to use our device. Some of the apps and data might still be installed. As you open up the notification bar, it will be in here. Okay, for example, it's downloading something from the Google Play Store. You can see it in here. So don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet and wait until everything gets downloaded. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.